Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. Today we're talking about the Monogram 42-inch refrigeration system. Great, huge bolstered handles here, the Monogram cap logo on the top. Even the front right here, great size right here for your Yetis and all your cups. They make it super easy. They put your crushed, your cubed, your water, your light, and then hold it down for your lock system. This is nice and easy. It's stainless, easy to clean, easy to wipe out, okay? Let's open the fridge. Let's talk about some of the features when you look inside. The dual compartment here I really love. So, you can put your butter, you can put your small items here. So it really kind of divides it up for church and state. Great stainless in the center, and I know that's a nice conductor that keeps it nice and cool. When we talk about on the top, first off, here's our Wi-Fi connectability. Here's where we adjust our freezer setting and our refrigeration setting. We want to keep our fridge down to 0 or 1, kind of keep it in that world. In our refrigeration, we want to keep it anywhere from 34 to 36 is an ideal temp, depending on how cold you like your milk and things of that sort. To reset the filter, we're going to hold it down 3 seconds, and if that pesky door alarm is getting you when you're loading your fridge, you could just shut it off right here, okay? Let's slide open the freezer system. Very nice. You got your stainless steel shelves, you got your compartments on the door, which is huge. Here's our ice machine. We really don't mess with anything in there. It really does all the work. When we talk about the filter and the filter reset, we really want to take our hands gently, pull this up, pops the hood here. Directly in the center, this is your filter. So you're really going to push up, twist this, and turn it off, and that's really going to be your filter. We recommend you use the same GE filters. Don't use an aftermarket filter. Some of them do work, but longevity-wise, we feel like ice makers break down and there's problems in the water line with inadequate filters. When we talk about cleaning over the years, the only really things we have to worry about, see the fan, you can actually see the fan very pertinent right here. I want to make sure this cage, if we blow it out with compressed air or use a vacuum or a shop vac, just to make sure there's no dust particles in there, because it will be blowing that air that way. So think about if you have pets or dander or something like that in the house. This is really where it's going to be, kind of a build-up area. So right here, maybe even over here too, I might see like a little bit of build-up. Other than that, this is ready to rock and roll. So you would change your filter, hold that down 3 seconds, close that up. And let me get with the low compartments over here in the refrigeration. So when we talk about the climate control and the doors here, so they really take it a little bit further. They give you the citrus, produce, and meat. So think about your fruits and vegetables. You can go produce, your meats as well. Then they have an express chill, which this is really good, 15, 30 minute or 45. And then I think the express chill is really great for like cakes and cookies, things like that. Even if you have anything warm that you want to bring down rapidly. And then, the express thaw works, up to a 3-pound unit. So think about, in your mindset, maybe taking ground beef out of the freezer right here, and you put it in the express thaw. You put it in there for, put the 3 pounds there, put it in there overnight. So then when you go in the morning to, cook that ground beef or do that bacon or do something like that out of the freezer, it's in the thawed zone. And that's really good and really great in the fridge. So you have, dedicated space to keep your raw products as well. So really, these are underutilized, but they're really nice. And there's a control lock on this as well for your children, things like that, because it is low in the refrigeration area. So these are all easy glide. I like the stainless trim on them, and they're super easy to wipe out. Other than that, these shelves just adjust on every ring. I think that really rounds out the refrigeration system from Monogram. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much.